Hi, it's Michael LaFido, author of the book Luxury Listing Specialist and founder of the Luxury Listing Specialist certification for real estate agents, team leaders, and broker owners, also the Luxury Listing Specialist podcast. In this week's video, we're going to talk about the 3 fastest ways you can double your income in the next 90 days. Again, many agents are looking for that magic pill out there, but really it comes down to blocking and tackling, X's and O's now that we're in the football season. And the 3 fastest ways for you as an agent or a team leader can double your income over the next 90 days. Number one, which I think is the easiest, would be increase the average sale price of a home you represent. Again, my goal for any agent that goes through our certification is for agents to increase their average sale price by 30% over a year. So if your average sale price is $300, if we can get you to $390, that would be a 30% raise. So number one, way to double your income in the next 90 days is increase the average sale price of a home you represent on the buy side or the sell side. Number two would be more profitable per transaction. More profitable transaction could be you cut away some marketing dollars that aren't working and not a good return on your investment, but perhaps protecting your fee. Now, I'm not suggesting you charge X amount to anybody, but what I am telling you is if you bring enough value to the table, you shouldn't have to compete, especially with luxury, by discounting what you charge. So again, bring more value to the table and you can protect your fee. And if you get really good at it and you do a great job negotiating for your clients and you get them a higher list to sale ratio, you might even be able to charge more than what the going rate is for your market. So that's number 2, be more profitable per transaction. And number 3 would be increase your conversion rate. So if you go on 10 listing appointments right now and you're getting 5 out of 10, well, 5 out of 10 in the major leagues is 500. You'd be in the Hall of Fame if you can get 5 out of 10. But in real estate, you should be doing much better than that. So if we can increase your conversion rate for a number of appointments you go on to actual listings, those would be more opportunities, more at-bats. The more opportunities or more listings you get, the more likelihood you can double your income over the next 90 days because those are more listings. More listings equal more sign inquiries, more internet leads, and again, you will attract more listings with the more signs in the yard you have. So if you have any questions, my contact information is below. But again, double your income in the next 90 days, a 3-pronged approach. Number 1, increase the average sale price of a home you represent. Number 2, be more profitable per transaction, protect your fee, bring more value to the table so you don't have to discount. And number 3 is increase your conversion through better overcoming objections, understanding what makes you different and unique, perhaps understanding DISC personality. So if you want additional information on some of the resources that we offer, go to luxurylistingspecialist.com or listen to some of the free podcasts that we offer, which is great content. You can go to iTunes or Stitcher and look up Luxury Listing Specialist or go to luxurylistingpodcast.com. My name is Michael LaFido. Remember, it's not the market, it's the marketing, and prove them wrong. Take care.